Hi, first grade. Today is Thursday, the 16th, April 16th on Thursday, and we are finishing up our money unit. So today and tomorrow, we're going to be finishing money, and then starting Monday, we are going to be making clocks and learning about time. But for today and tomorrow, we're finishing up money, and we are going to go on another field trip today. Yesterday, you went on a field trip maybe to your kitchen and got some supplies to pay for. Maybe you went to the bathroom and got some toilet paper to buy. Today, we are going to be going to the pet store. Okay, put on your imagination caps. That's a silly cap. That's a silly hat. What kind of animals do you think you might see at the pet store? Yeah, I could see all of those animals. Dogs, cats, maybe a snake. Well, today we are going to be answering some different questions about the pet store. So each of you are going to have this worksheet right here. And, it says trip to the pet shop. Each of you have your very own worksheet. So when you write into this document, your teachers can see exactly what you're doing. So I'm going to read this to you. In black writing is the directions in English, and then in red writing are the directions in Spanish. So it says, you are making a trip to the pet shop. You want to know the prices of each stuffed animal before you decide what to buy. Does everybody have their imagination caps on? All right, let's go to the pet store. We're here. Now, it looks like a dog, a stuffed animals at the pet shop dog is worth 2 pennies, 3 nickels, and 1 quarter. I also see it that a snake is worth 6 pennies, 2 nickels, and 2 dimes. It has the cost of a bird, a cat, a rabbit, a frog, and a monkey. Which of those stuffed animals would you like to buy? Good choice. I'd like to buy a monkey. Or a dog, a stuffed dog. So I'm going to figure out first and show you how to figure out the total price of the dog, and then you're going to do the snake, bird, cat, rabbit, frog, and monkey on your own. Then you're going to answer some questions about what you found. So let's look first at the dog. It says I need 2 pennies, 3 nickels, and 1 quarter. So right here, I've got all my coins, and I need to figure out how much a dog is worth. So it says 2 pennies, 3 nickels, and 1 quarter. So I've got to get my 2 pennies right here. I know that this is a penny because it's worth 1 cent. It's copper and brown. And then it says I needed, let's get this back out here, 3 nickels and 1 quarter. 3 nickels and 1 quarter. 3 nickels and 1 quarter. I know that this is a nickel because it says 5 cents on the back, and it has Thomas Jefferson's home in Monticello, and also it's very smooth. I know that this is a quarter because it has George Washington, our first president. It has ridges on the side, and it's worth 25 cents. When I count my coins, I'm going to start with the biggest coin first. I know that the biggest coin is my quarter, so I've got 25 here, and then I'm going to count on with my nickels. How much is a nickel worth again? That's right, 5 cents. So let's count together. I'm going to count on by fives. I know you've been practicing counting by 5s, 10s, and 25s, so I didn't include that video in this assignment, but you can go back to other days if you need a refresher. 25, 30, 35, 40. Now I'm going to count my pennies. Each of my pennies is worth 1 cent. So I'm going to count by ones. 41, 42 cents. Now I'm going to go back to here, and I need to write 42 cents right here. Miss McIntyre has already put a dollar sign. Whenever we write just only cents, oftentimes we'll put a cent sign, but I wanted us to practice writing it with the dollar sign today. So remember, I had 42 cents. Let me write that here, 42 cents. But I need to figure out how I can write that with my dollar. Now I know that $1, like that, is 100 cents. And then I've got this decimal right here that separates my dollars and my cents. So this is $1 or 100 cents. If I have 42 cents, do I have a whole dollar yet? No, I don't. So I'm going to go through here and that means I have $0. So I'm going to write $0. And then where the cents go, there are two places, a tens place and a ones place right here. Here's my tens place and here's my ones place. If it goes to the hundreds place, then we put it over here with the dollar. So 42 has 4 tens and 2 ones. So I'm going to write that right here. 4 tens and 2 ones. And then I can erase this. And I've written that a dog is worth 42 cents. I want you to finish up finding out the total cost of the snake, the bird, the cat, the rabbit, the frog, and the monkey. When you're finished with that, you're going to move on to part B and watch my video for part B. Because you're going to need the information you find here to help you with information in part B. Have a fun time!